Galiavalan. Yes, dear friends, we are going to read another dialogue. Eme dialogekten بخوینن. داویه هفته. The weekend, end of week, the weekend. زلال جندی داویه هفته چاوا در باس بو. Jandi, how did you spend the weekend? This translation is not exactly this, I mean word by word, but it have the same meaning. Dawiya haftiye weekend, so here is it. Chawa, how, derbasbu, how it passed. Dawiya haftiye chawa derbasbu. How did the weekend pass? Okay. How did you spend the weekend? Okay. Bash derbasbu. It was good. I spent it well. Roja Shamiye Sbei Henek Dereng Rabum. On Saturday morning, I woke up a bit late. Henek, a bit. Roja Shamiye Sbei Henek Dereng Rabum. Henek Dereng Rabum. It was too late. The saat chandan de Rabui. The saat chandan Rabui. When did you wake up? At what time did you wake up? The saat chandan de Rabui. The saat chandan de Rabui. The saat chandan de Rabui. Or just the saat chandan de Rabui. Simply say meaning. When did you wake up? Okay. Jandi. Waleh. Well, actually, waleh. Well, okay, waleh. As the Torah saat ne u nivan de heshyar bum. I woke up at about 9:30. It's not too late. It's 9:30. Hawa per khwash bu. The weather was very good. Hawa per khwash bu. The weather was very good. Lema, therefore, ezu daiga khwa emchun derve jibot tashte. Therefore, I and my mother went out to have breakfast. Tashte, breakfast. Derve, emchun derve, went out. Out, derve, chun, went. It is past times. And daika khwa, it is also mom. It is mother also. Okay. Daika khwa, I think like if till now I didn't write any word about mom, but is it daik? Mom, what else do we say? Okay, I think I should search. I think ane, dae, da, what else? I think that's it. Yeah, we have those for mom. You can use all of this. And okay, Zalal, چه قاسی خوش. Okay, this will be چقاس. How nice. Okay, چه قاسی خوش. خوزیا و I am jealous with خوزیا و چه قاسی خوش. خوزیا و تاشته چخور. How nice. I am jealous. What did you eat for breakfast? Let's look at the meaning of this word. Exact one. Just this in here. Okay, خوزیا و خوزی. When we perhevi جدل دخوازم که گلک حز کرن هویا من اوه کو دخوازا من اوه خوزی کردستان آزاد ببه. So as we can see in here we have the meanings. Wish, but in here خوزیا و I am jealous. it my خوزیاوه چقاسی خوش. I am jealous. I mean, when we say jealous, do we give meaning of wish? So خوزیاوه. Anyway, this I think jealous, we don't use this for jealous generally. Probably when I was right, there was error, there was some mistake. Okay, let's see. So for jealous, javnebar hasud we use. So I am not jealous, I am jealous. Actually, this doesn't make any sense in here, right? This is wrong. Okay, khaziyawe. So if it was something like this, khazi as you were buyama, it would said, I wish I was there. So how nice. And if you don't say that, then why you will say that? Generally you will not use this. Chqas khosh wa tashde chqar. It makes more sense, so just remove this part. This is probably in the documentation we had some mistake, or maybe the documents, the source, they did something wrong, but it wouldn't make any sense to create sentences like that. And let's continue like this. Chqasi khosh wa tashde chqar. Khwazika as jilwer buyama. It says like, I wish I was there too. But if you don't say that, it's okay. Simply say like this. Okay. Jandi من زيتون بنير وهيكن كلاندي خوارن. زيتون, this black. Paneer, what is paneer? Oh, paneer. There is no paneer. Cheese, probably on these maybe. Heken kalandi, boiled egg. Actually, kalandi, boiled. Khashandi it will be. That's why it's not boiled also. Khashandi is too much important. You have to know about this. This will be fried. Okay, let's see. We have Wiki Farhang, the richest Farhang. So it is kalande, kalandan, keliyayi, kalandan. Okay, khashandan. Khashandan is kalandan. So it is also same thing. This also we have this one, but okay, then it's okay. Hegen kalandi khwaran daika manji jibo ji daika manji to uhangave wane navdar khwar. Daika manji to, I even don't know this word. To, what is to? Is toshir. Toshir. Sertuk qemaq tuk nevishk. Toshir. So it is kind of, we should say, toshir. Sertuk. Tuk. Qemaq nevishk. Okay. To nevishk. It is a special butter that we make from ships. We make our own. You put on bread, and it is to navishk also. Navishk we generally know with navishk. So qaymag navishk, not qaymag actually. Rune navishk, navishk. Even some says run in navishk run. So it's it to. Hangave wane ye navdar khwar. And it says hangav means the, what we say for this hangav is honey. Yes, it's honey. Hangav honey. Hangave wane, honey of one that is famous. Hangave navdar khwar. Okay, about kalandi, I want to say this. Generally, when you say kalandi, you would mean fried okay, and you say khashandi, you would mean boiled, 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 okay. This is important difference, I think, because both of them are different. For example, when somebody asks you to make some kalandi hik, then you khashandi, you understand khashandi, it's not good. You have to kalandi, you have to fry it. Okay, let's continue. Wapesti tashte chikr. What did you do after breakfast? What did you do after breakfast? Wapesti tashte, pesti after. Okay, tashte chikr. Em beneke l'nav suke garian. Okay. For a while we walked around the markets. Suke garian. I thought Suk will be the city. Let's see also. Suk is bazar, çarşı, froşke, market, pagan, ce, krin, frotene, bajar, shar, şer. As you see, it has the two meanings. It means bazar, çarşı. It's also froşke, market. So from here you can understand all of them are sent. Also it means the city, but he says we walk around this. So it can be city too. Around the city we walked, but they translated at markets. Also, it could be the city. Then we went to the bazaar. See, then we went to the bazaar. Okay. Then we went to bazaar and bought a pair of sport shoes. Pashe emchuna bazari. Pashe emchuna bazari. U and meje menre jotek Belavin spore krin. Jotek Belavin spore krin. Paid off. Jotek. Paid off. Jotek. Okay, is important. Sport shoes. Belav shoes. Spore krin. Krin buy. Pashe daika men chumale. Then my mother went home. U ezji chum jem havalin khwe. And I went to my friends. Jem. To my friends. Okay. With my friends. To my friends. And that شكر داوية haftayda. And now he asks that شكر داوية haftayda. What did you do after weekend? ده شكر داوية haftayda. What did you do at the end of the weekend? Zalal answers. Roja Shamiye as her mali boom. On the Saturday I was just at home. Roja Shamiye. On the Saturday I was just at home. من أوضاع خوا داهف من أوضاع خوا I tidied my room, clean my room, tidied أوضاع خوا داهف. It means like dahaf, it means like give each other, but it has meaning to tidy, make it clean. پشت نيفرو afternoon من لبرنامج كموسيقى تماشا كر. I watched a program, TV program, music TV program. I watched تماشا كرن is watch. For example, now you are تماشا من دكن تو من تماشا دكا you are watching me. بشاف جي من برتقوان بشاف جي at the night I read book. At the night I read book. برتق is book. خوان is read. شاف is night. Okay. Jandi ango to hiç derneketi derve. That means that you didn't go out at all. Ango to hiç derneketi derve. You just never went outside. He asked like that. And مخابن unfortunately لبلي يكشمي بربي يفاري از لقل هفالة كخوا چوم سينماي. Unfortunately not. مخابن unfortunately. But on Sunday evening I went to the cinema with a friend of mine. With one my friend I went to cinema. Okay. Okay, there is a a joke I saw on Instagram. Okay, they said when Kurds go to the cinema, they are reading, seeing the cinema is written on the table in front of the entrance, right? It is cinema. So Kurd doesn't read like cinema. They read like G Nema. G means the place. Nema, the place didn't left. We don't have the place. So it is basically written no place left. And that's why they say when Kurd go to the cinema, they do not enter there and they just back home. Because when they ask why you didn't go, because it was written Jinema, because there was no place. So it is kind of fun of reading this too. Just know it. So somebody if write anything, just know it. If somebody write any joke like that on Instagram maybe, so just know it and laugh at it. If you will laugh. Okay, مال فيلم داویه بهمن قبادی تماشا کر. ما لفيلم داویه بهمن قبادی تماشا کر. بهمن قبادی. We saw the last film by Bahman Gobadi. Okay. فیلم کی چابو. What kind of movie was it? How was the film? Did you like it? Daji Hasger, like has. Okay, I want to give these two. This is so similar. Has means like, his means the power. Has his. Just know it. Did you like it? فیلم کی پر خوش بو. The film was very good. جبیر نکه تجی تماشا بکه. Don't forget to see. Don't forget you to see. Don't forget. It's like جبیر نکه. Don't forget. تجی تماشا بکه. You see too. You to see. You also see. Okay, that will be much better. It will say you also you see. Also you see. Also you see. You see too. It's something like that, okay? Anyway, let's continue. Basha, as the shamiye te tamasha bakam. As the shamiye, as the shamya te. So do you see when I say a, it's like I was just confused. Shamya te tamasha bakam. I will watch it next Sunday, next Saturday. It means shamya te. Te means coming actually. Shamiyate, the Saturday that is coming. I will watch the next Saturday. Okay, galaki sapas dakam jabaku bazguhdari karam. Thank you so much to watch, listen me. Lakhwa bash banara. Take care. Khatri wa. Thank you so much to watch. Take care. See you later. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to us. And here we go. Oops. Yeah. 19 minutes.